Imagine a river that carved canyons, watered millions, and fueled entire cities, now slowly disappearing. The Colorado River, once a lifeline for the American Southwest, is fading. But here's the burning question: who or what is killing it? And why should you care? Stay with me, because the answer is more shocking than you might think. The Colorado River stretches over 1,400 miles, feeding nearly 40 million people, sprawling farms, and some of the most iconic natural wonders in the world. Yet, in the last few decades, this mighty river has lost its strength. So, what happened? From Denver to Los Angeles, this river isn't just a natural marvel, it's a lifeline. But as demand grows and climate change intensifies, the Colorado River has been stretched to its limits. And believe it or not, it now barely reaches the sea. Is it climate change? Overuse? Or could there be something even more sinister going on? Choices and policies that have drained this river dry, drop by drop. Today, we're diving deep to uncover the true culprits behind the death of the Colorado River. And trust me, the answer will surprise you. To understand who killed the Colorado River, we have to look at a web of players, government policies, industries, even the everyday decisions we all make. Each one of us has a hand in this. Whether we realize it or not, the Colorado River is now over-allocated, meaning we've promised more water than the river actually has. Combine that with rising temperatures and less snowfall, and it's a recipe for disaster. So what can we do to save it? In the last few minutes, we're going to look at real, actionable solutions, from smarter water policies to conservation efforts that you can be part of. Because this isn't just the death of a river, it's the future of an entire region. And the good news? It's not too late to act. If you found this eye-opening, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's get the word out. Together, we can make a difference. But it starts with understanding what's at stake.